The wise friends of freedom. The wise ancestors of the Underground Railroad, Frederick Douglass, Harriet Tubman, Josiah Henson, William Steele, a person who knows and knows that they know is wise. Follow them. First, meet Harriet, strong and bold. She led the way, her story often told. A person who knows not, she'd often say, but her courage lit the Underground Railroad's way. Then there was Frederick with words so wise. His eloquence soared and reached the skies. Equal rights. A person who knows that they don't know, he'd admit. His wisdom inspired bit by bit. Nearby was Josiah, strong and true, his heart for justice like morning dew. A person who knows but doesn't think that they do, they'd cry. His actions spoke louder, reaching the sky. Last was William, diligent and keen, recording stories that history would glean. A person who knows and knows that they knowed, he proclaimed. His records preserved freedom's flame. One sunny day their wisdom did grow. In their quest for freedom they'd boldly go. Freedom. Being kind and humbled, they all agreed, were the keys to freedom that all would need. They followed Harriet's lead like a guiding star. With her bravery, they traveled near and far. For knowing and knowing what they didn't know made their journey to freedom in the Underground Railroad flow. In their fight for justice, they'd always care. A community of friends, a legacy so rare. Freedom. Their African proverb they'd share with pride in a land where freedom would no longer hide. Learning from each other, their wisdom would embrace. In the land of freedom, they'd find their rightful place. The wise friends inspire us to be bold, curious, and kind. African proverb. A person who knows not and knows not that they know not is foolish. Disregard them. A person who knows not and knows that they know not is simple. Teach them. A person who knows not and knows not that they know is asleep. Awaken them. A person who knows and knows that they know is wise. Follow them. Frederick Douglass, Harriet Tubman, Josiah Henson, William Steele, freedom. The end.
Thanks for subscribing to our YouTube channel, Kids for Change BHE, Black History Edition, Black History Heroes for kids who want to be activists.